how to edit and change payment method name at checkout on Ecwid. Easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to edit it and change it. First open your browser, and now once you're here click settings, click payment, and as you see here we'll find current payment methods. Now just click edit, and here type any name you want, and after that don't forget to click save, and then just click this one here, it will be saved. And now I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.